Hello, this is Tyrone Brown over here with Century 21 Vanguard Real Estate, coming to you uncut, unfiltered, talking about different real estate issues and real estate topics. Well, in today's discussion, I want to talk about what is the role of a closing attorney and how can that affect your transaction when a closing attorney is out of compliance. Well, here's a scenario. When it comes to a closing attorney, based on the South Carolina statutes, a closing attorney is supposed to remain neutral to both parties. And I experienced a scenario where agent on the other side of the file, which I was representing the listing or the selling side, and the other agent was representing the buyer side, the closing attorney reached out and asked the seller, can he talk to the buyer agent? Now, that's clearly a violation, because when it comes to real estate, the closing attorney is supposed to represent the best interests of the lender and making sure they prepare the documentation, they make sure the title and all that has been reviewed and all the paperwork has been prepared for both parties to sign and review. A closing attorney does not at any time supposed to cross the path of agency duty. Now, clearly, the buyer agent know they were wrong as well, because the buyer agent, as the buyer agent called the client along with the attorney, the buyer agent told the seller they know that they don't supposed to be doing this. So the reason I brought this, I wanted to talk real briefly about this video is because when you work as a buyer agent and a listing agent, attorneys don't have to follow the same agency laws that we do as real estate agents. So we're still governed by the South Carolina agency rules on what we can do as a listing agent and for our clients, and what you can do as a buyer agent and a buyer agent for your clients. So I just wanted to share this quick video, so that way if you ever run across that and you try and ask an attorney to call the other party's client and attorney steps out there, you can clearly be at a violation if an agent was to file a complaint. So I just want to say thank you so much for just taking a quick moment to listen to me discuss real quickly about agency duty and how us real estate agents have to comply and follow that, regardless of an attorney, because an attorney is not governed by the same licensing laws that we are as real estate agents. So hey, thanks again. If you're looking to relocate to this area, or you're looking to refer some clients, hey, check me out, Tyrone at Tyronebrownteam, or you can give me a call at 803-566-0237. And thanks again. Look forward to talking to you on the next video. And make sure you subscribe below to this video.